Hello, this is Bhagyashree. I am an IT professional. I am working in a IT sector from many years, and I have joined this data science course ETLHive from long 6 months back. So there is a Vaibhav sir is a faculty, and he's a very good faculty there. Uh, he's a very knowledgeable person. In terms of industry also, and in terms of knowledge of data science also. He teach very well. So they I have attended the offline. I tried to attend offline batch, but it is not possible, so I attended the online sessions. So sir teach very well. Please try to attend all the sessions. If you miss anything, you will lose some data, and you will not get a link of the next sessions. And also, there is a one thing that if you try to attend offline, that will be more beneficial to you. If we get recording more than the selected lectures, then that will be more beneficial. But sir records for some lectures, so that thing I want to know. Overall ETR high experience is very good. They also take 2-3 projects. Yeah, you can join for data science for a fresher also, and the experienced guy also. But my recommendation is, if you want to join data science, you need to learn one language at least, because you will get the link for the Python, which sir covered. Also the machine learning and deep learning. It is a very cool. Sir teach it very well.